my friend from the National Weather Service, my friend and yours, who I'm saying, not just mine, Landon Idlett, the man with all the information, all the charts, all the maps, everything you need to know about the weather. Landon, it's been a while, man. I'm back from vacation, but it's really, really good to see you, bro.
It is likewise great to see you. And I heard you did a lot of walking. You got some sun. So it was a nice break away from news and weather. So we
Yes,
all need that once in a while.
I don't know if you can see me right now, but like, yeah, I was out in the sun because we had wonderful weather. I look like a leather purse at this point. I'm quite I'm quite charbroiled. But that's my point though, is we had amazing weather, and except for 2 mornings when it rained like temporarily and everything, fantastic weather. Please tell me that that is going to persist this week.
Yeah, we're definitely looking good shape for dry weather. But if you go outside, you notice it's like just these nuisance showers, and they are prevailing out there. And let me turn my screen around right quick to show what I'm looking at. And so we do have the showers coming through across the islands right now. Let's see, there we go. Turning you around. This is a little trade wind disturbance that's pushing through the island at the moment, and these light showers are just zipping by. So nothing heavy, nothing that's going to be sitting on top of you and dumping a deluge of heavy rain on you. But this typical trade wind showers, and this is just a small feature coming around Guam and Rota that's going to be pushing through with drier conditions by the late afternoon, evening hours. But let's go to the satellite and see what the bigger picture is. And there it is. That's this disturbance right here, much drier and sunnier at Tinian and Saipan to our north, but this little feature is just pushing through. So probably around 3 o'clock this afternoon, we'll be in this area of drier air. It's all moving down toward the southwest from the northeast. A typical trade wind season, but if you notice farther north, we have that shear line. So this is the old cold frontal boundary. This is just the latest shear line to come through our area in this dry season pattern. This is going to be dropping down slowly, currently over Agrigan and Pagan. It's going to be dripping down close to Anatahan and Saipan, but likely will not make it all the way down over Guam. So that's the good news. But behind the shear line, you do have the much stronger north winds punching down behind it, generating the large swell and wind waves that's going to be reaching down over Guam and the CNMI in the coming days. So season surf will again increase across the region in the next couple of days. So watch out there for advisories. We're going to be having a high surf advisory for north-facing reefs of Guam and the CNMI. So places like Agana Boat Basin, Paseo, Tumon Bay area near Hilton and Epau Beach. That's where the waves are going to be large. It's also Meridian Beach, so they'll probably be closed down for a couple of days once the surf becomes hazardous up there. So that's for strong rip currents. So we're going to be dealing with that, plus also the persistent trade wind swell and wind waves that's coming in, battering us from the northeast and east. But this will be the pattern for much of the week ahead, just prevailing drier conditions, but with these lighter spurts of showers. Nothing significant, nothing organized across the region for the next several days, and that's the good news. But again, the season surf, that'll be the main threat and the main hazard across the region. The green line represents the observed conditions at Retidian wave buoy, and the purple, that's the forecast. So we're going to be seeing waves increasing, combined seas increasing across the coastal waters in the coming days.
Very nice. Okay, well, I got to let you go because we haven't got that much time. Because again, like I'm technically I'm still on vacation mode, but so long story short, executive summary, TLDR, as the internet kids say, too long didn't read. We can expect dry conditions, nice and sunny, but you might also want to bring like a slicker just in case.
Yeah, it's great for motorcycle driving the next several days, but watch out for those light showers that are just come and get things wet and move right on by.
All right, so that's Landon with the National Weather Service, man. I'll catch up with you soon. We will catch up with you, dear viewers, on the flip side of this break, and we will put this show in the history books right after this.